Now, let's move on to creating an adjustable rate or an ARM loan option. Let's click on New Loan Pricing. Now, if we want to change the structure of the ARM, we can do this by going back to our assumptions down here, and then clicking on the General Inputs tab. Click Open the Loan Detail subcategory, and in the ARM Structure option, click the drop-down and switch from the default of Structured to the ARM 7.6. Let's leave it as a structured ARM for now. Now let's go back to our loan, click on Continue to Pricing, and move back to the Pricing tab. The structure of the adjustable rate pricing is similar to the fixed rate pricing. It includes a loan sizer, loan scenario, fees and waivers. The only difference here is the cap cost buildup, which we have for every adjustable rate. Finally, the exit analysis summary below. We can use one of the quotes that I've already created in the fixed rate or create a new one from scratch. Before starting to create an adjustable rate quote, it's important to note that in every ARM deal, an equivalent fixed rate must be created. So we can go ahead and go to this drop-down menu and choose which one of our previous fixed rate loans we want to use from the previous section. Let's choose the first fixed rate quote we created. In the adjustable rate loan options, we need to add information for the pricing. For example, let's say a targeted GNS indicative pricing of 175 and an investor spread of 55. Now let's go down to the cap costs. Let's say it is $450,000 with a 6-year term. Then once we've input our values, we can see our calculated cap cost factor. Now let's go back up and add a stress factor of 2% and a strike rate of 2%. All the information will flow automatically up here. Now let's create another loan option by clicking the New Loan Pricing button. By the way, we can collapse one of the columns by clicking here. That's if we want to have a cleaner side-by-side comparison. Now let's input values for a new loan option. Let's use a Tier 3 on the ARM, $65 maximum LTV, let's say it is a GNS indicative pricing of 170, and an investor spread of 50. Now let's say the cap cost is $400,000 and with a 5-year term, and a stress factor of 3%, and a strike rate of 2.5. Now we can scroll all the way to the bottom and see the exit analysis summary for our new adjustable rate loan. Let's click on Select for both of these options now, and then click on Quote Editor to see both of our offers for adjustable rate loans.